So we're checking to make sure the sterile kit is not expired and the autoclaving is not out of date.
You can do this by checking the date on the sterile kit, and you can also look at the autoclave indicator to check the date. And this one is in date.
The autoclave has not been more than 30 days ago. And so now we're opening the sterile kit and we're going to keep it 2 inches away so it ain't contaminated. Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to start opening it up away from you, only touching the edges, because if you touch 2 inches in, then it's considered contaminated.
Once it is open, you want to make sure it stays sterile and you avoid coughing, sneezing, talking, and you keep it above your waist.